Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening and Design. Welcome to today's video. Today is a bit of an update on a video that I did on planting this bare root rose here. So I wanted to give you an update on this one, and my daughter Hannah and I both have a couple more roses that were planted bare root that I want to show you how gorgeous they're looking. I always like to share some things with you at home in case you're interested in adding some things to your garden. So we're getting towards the end of June here, and I planted this rose bare root early May. And it just goes to show how wonderful bare root roses can do if you start with healthy plants, you plant them in the proper place, and give them some really great soil with a little bit of amendments. So this here is my Princess Anne rose, and if you haven't seen the video when I planted it, please do, because it gives some good tips on how to plant a bare root rose. But I saw Princess Anne when we did a field trip to Edisto Gardens, their rose gardens in South Carolina, and that was very early spring. And it does also go to show you how great it is to take some field trips and to tour some public gardens and some other gardens, because it gives you a chance to see what you might want to add to yours, and also how things do when they're actually planted in the garden. So I saw a hedge of Princess Anne, and I do have a video on Edisto Gardens out, but I fell in love and absolutely had to have a couple. So I have 3 planted here. So I'm in Zone 6B here in Connecticut, and these are full sun gardens because roses do really love their full sun. So look at the gorgeous blooms, and there's quite a few buds on Princess Anne already. And like I said, really this has only been here about 6 weeks. So already it has grown a little bit, and I want to give you a measurement on that. So it's just about 20 inches tall, and the width is roughly the same, about 20 inches. Now when Princess Anne is fully mature, it's going to get about 4 feet tall and 4 feet wide. So if you are thinking about planting this one, please give it enough room to really fill out and shine. So let's tour a couple other of the bare root roses that I mentioned, because I am really excited to show those to you as well. And to the left of the front steps is Variegata di Bologna. Now this rose here is quite a bit taller. It comes in at about 9 to 10 feet when mature and about 5 feet wide. This was planted bare root 2 years ago, so this is its second year, and it's done so well here. Beautiful striped flowers, pink and magenta, and I'm hoping that it's going to drape over the stones there, but you could also use a support, a pillar or arbor or trellis. Very fragrant, beautiful rose. Now we're over in my daughter Hannah's garden to have a look at Leonardo da Vinci. Now this is also a shrub rose that was planted bare root about 2 years ago, and it's a medium pink leaning towards salmon. Beautiful flowers, a little bit shorter, 4 to 5 feet tall when mature and about 5 feet wide mature, but also a mild tea fragrance, which is another reason to love this one. Just look at these gorgeous blooms. This is Moonlight in Paris rose, another shrub rose that gets to be about 4 to 5 feet tall. Color shifting. The blooms are in shades of a pale pink to apricot, so they change a bit as they open up. Really full flowers that can be mistaken for peony flowers. So they also look great as cut flowers. So these are old-fashioned cut blooms, and I'm loving this one so much this year that I'm definitely going to be adding this one to my garden. This is over at Hannah's house here. Beautiful bouquets, and really lovely in the garden. So this one here is also on its second year, and it's really produced a lot of flowers for us this year.